There's a $2 white powder sitting in storage shelves right now, and it can erase stains most people think are permanent, not fade them, actually remove them from the surface. And the reason almost no one tells you about it isn't because it doesn't work. It's because when it does, you stop needing most cleaning products. Because once this works the way it's supposed to, the entire cycle of scrubbing, buying, and repeating starts to break. Think about how cleaning usually works. Your sink stains, your toilet gets rings, your bathtub slowly turns yellow over time. At first, it looks small and manageable, but slowly it spreads, gets darker, harder, and starts to feel permanent. So you scrub harder, try sprays, gels, and expensive cleaners that promise instant results, but never fully solve the problem. Sometimes they help a little, sometimes they don't. But one thing stays the same. The stains always come back. And when they come back, you buy again, stronger formulas, new brands, different solutions that repeat the same cycle. Without realizing it, you get stuck in a system where cleaning is never finished. It's only maintained again and again. But here's the part most people never question. What if stains were never meant to be permanent in the first place? What if the reason they keep coming back isn't because they're strong, but because the solutions are weak? Because there is a simple compound, cheap and overlooked, that doesn't just clean stains, it changes them. Not by scrubbing them off, not by covering them, but by breaking them down at a chemical level so they can't stay attached. This powder has been used for centuries, long before modern cleaning brands existed or products were sold in bottles. Textile workers used it to remove iron stains, and stoneworkers used it to restore marble surfaces without damaging them. It wasn't marketed, it wasn't branded, it was simply known because it worked consistently every time. Here's what most people don't understand. Stains are not just dirt, they are chemical compounds bonded to surfaces. Hard water stains come from minerals, rust is iron oxide, and this buildup sticks deep at a microscopic level. Scrubbing only removes the surface layer, but the real stain remains underneath, which is why it keeps coming back. But this powder works differently. It reacts directly with the stain and changes its structure completely. It breaks the bond between the stain and the surface until the stain can no longer hold on. So instead of forcing it off, you make it disappear, almost like it was never there in the first place. And once you understand this, you start to see the bigger system behind how cleaning really works. Because the cleaning industry isn't built on permanent solutions. It's built on repetition. Billions of dollars are made every year from products designed to be used again and again, not once. Weekly cleaners, monthly treatments, daily sprays, all designed to control the problem, not eliminate it. A $2 solution that removes stains permanently doesn't fit that system because it ends the cycle. It doesn't create repeat customers. It doesn't need branding, so it stays hidden in plain sight. But this isn't just a product. It's a different way of cleaning that most people were never shown. Because when you don't scratch the surface, stains have nothing to attach to again over time. That means surfaces stay smoother, cleaner, and easier to maintain with less effort. Now, here's how to use it properly. Because the method matters just as much as the material. Mix a small amount of the powder in warm water until it dissolves. No need to use too much. Apply directly to the stained area and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes without scrubbing. Then rinse it off with water, and you'll notice the stain lifting much easier than before. For heavier buildup, repeat the process once more to fully break down what remains. But it's important to understand this is not a miracle fix for every situation. If the surface is deeply damaged or worn, it won't restore it. It only removes stains. And like any active compound, it should be used carefully and never mixed with bleach. One homeowner tried everything to remove toilet stains. Nothing worked completely for years. After using this method once, the stains were gone. And after second use, they didn't return the same way. That's when it becomes clear. This isn't hidden because it fails. It's hidden because it works too well. It breaks the cycle of buying, scrubbing, and repeating, and replaces it with something simple. There was a time when knowledge like this was normal, when people solved problems at the source. That knowledge didn't disappear. It just got replaced by louder, more profitable alternatives. And the truth is, stains were never meant to stay. They only feel permanent with the wrong solutions. The real fix was always simple, always affordable. And now,